In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the decimal places in Microsoft Excel. So you can see on my spreadsheet here that I have this decimal number. Now, if you want to change the decimal place to either increase or decrease the numbers, then there's basically two different methods to do this. The first method is just selecting the cell like so. Click on Home in the top navigation, and then you can use these two buttons here to either increase or decrease the decimal. So for example, if I click on Decrease Decimal, you can see the list of numbers go down. And then if I click on Increase Numbers, we can go and increase the numbers displayed in this cell. Now, if there's no more digits to show, then Excel's just going to add a 0 at the end of your number. Now, the second method to do this is just by selecting the cell that you want to format, right-clicking, and select Format Cells. In the left-hand side, we can select Number, and then we can decide exactly how many decimal places we want to include for this number. You can also see a preview underneath Sample of exactly what this will look like, and then go and press OK. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you add or remove decimal places in Excel. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.